Alright.
Hello, we're here at Quezon Province. Hindi. Quezon
City.
Premiere ng Quezon.
Sa Quezon
Dito
City.
sa Cubao 2.
Huh?
Quezon City. Tama. Kakain muna kami dito sa Wolfgang's. Oy, sorry. I'm with Mrs. Galactic. Ayun si Shark. Sir Ray. Ayun si Max. Nandun si Napa. Ayun si Obey. And all.
Nung nirelease siya, hindi Shawshank Redemption yung title niya. The Prisoner. Kasi weirdo yung pangalan.
Ay, yung
Shawshank Redemption. Yung tumakas siya.
Pinod natin yung
Nakulong siya. Nakulong.
They're all here. Ano? Gusto mo ng ganito? Lumba-lumba.
Lumba-lumba.
Pang ano nun?
We have a few words. Let's start with Mr. Aaron Villaflor. Then Hernando, Mr. Mon Maciado as President.
Wala na tayo break. Sige, kaya natin to. Una-una po, nagpapasalamat kami sa panonood ninyo. Maraming salamat. Binigyan niyo ng oras ngayon. At in behalf of TVA family, nagpapasalamat po kami sa suporta nila. At nakagawa po tayo ng pelikulang Pilipino ay may pagmamalaki natin hanggang pagtanda natin. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga bisita natin influencers, maraming salamat po.
Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo ngayon at panonood. Isa po kayo sa mga unang nakanood ng pelikulang Quezon. 10 years ago, sa pagkakaalala ko, September 9, 2015, ipinalabas po ang General Luna. At yung first 3 days po niya, flop. Bumawi po ito nung ika-4 na araw, Sabado. Wednesday yung first showing. At yung mga nakanood po nun ay nagpakalat, nagyaya, nag-imbita. Yung iba sa kanila, 5 beses, 10 beses na panood. At dito ko po nasaksihan, kasama ang marketing team ng TBA. Dito po nagpasimula yung pagpapromote sa social media. At nagkaroon na ng mga memes ang General Luna. At ngayon po, hinihiling po namin uli ang inyong tulong sa huling trilogy ng Bayaniverse. Hindi po ito typical na pinupuri ang ating mga bayani. Ang pinakita po dito ay yung kanilang pagiging tao at yung kanilang mga kamalian na napapanahon na sana i-correct natin.
Did you guys enjoy the film?
Yes!
Thank you. Before I even say something, did you feel something? Did you feel like, did you feel alive? Did you feel hatred, anger, joy, hope? Yeah, right? Everything. The reason why we are here and we're watching the film. Okay na. Ating kabinete. Hindi. The reason why we're here and we wanted to watch with you guys is because we wanted to feel your energy. We wanted to hear, wanted to see how excited you guys are. I see that you dressed up for the event. Gracias, amigo. Very good. Because this is an important film for us. This film is beyond the film now. This is a call to action. This is a special project for us because this is a movement. Because number one, we wanted to bring the joy and just the just the happiness of going back to cinema. And Wolfgang is an amazing place to enjoy movies, especially a movie like this. Yeah, Wolfgang, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you so much for
Yeah. Second is that we start questioning. Nobody's perfect. But we have to get involved now in everything that is happening in this country of ours because we love the Philippines, don't we? We love the Philippines. That's why we chose I Am the Philippines, because we are the Philippines. I am the Philippines. And now we ask for your support and help. We thank you for being here because you guys are so influential. You have the power, whether you have a following or not. Because at home or here outside, when you tell people about a good film, not just this film, but every good film, you are helping this industry not only to survive but to thrive and to last to be here. Because cinema is part of our culture. As you can see, diba si Teresa Malvar siya yung nandun. And we are so honored for you guys to have spent 3 hours with us. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So please, tell your friends, tell your family, if you love the film, just tell them you love the film. And watch it on October 15. We love you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. This is acceptable! God bless you. Thank you.
Okay. Alam ko na ang gagawin ko.
Thank you!
Alright.
Thank you po. Congrats po. Salamat din.
But for the two of you, as the longest runners in the series, how does it feel that you're about to finish? Like, I don't know, that you've done the third.
Feeling grateful.
Yes, syempre, nakakatuwa. Although, yung sa akin kasi, although isang character lang yung ginanapan ko, pero iba-iba yung ano eh. Like, especially dito,
Yeah, super.
ibang
This is,
iba.
I was going to say nga, this is the most different Aguinaldo that I've seen.
Looking forward for Magsaysay.
Yeah, magsaysay. You are still alive.
Baka pagdating kay Marcos pa, nandun pa sa Aguinaldo. Pagka kay Marcos ba, Aguinaldo, nandun buhay pa eh.
ng remake ng Quezon, siya pa rin yung nandun.
Kaya nga, ikaw.
1964 namatay eh.
Kaya nga, just 2 years before martial law.
Kaya nga.
Picture pa kasi.